In price action trading, understanding trends is fundamental for making informed trading decisions. A trend represents the general direction in which the price of an asset is moving over time. There are three main types of trends: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways or ranging trend. An uptrend is characterized by higher highs and higher lows, indicating a bullish market sentiment. Conversely, a downtrend is marked by lower highs and lower lows, signaling a bearish market sentiment. Sideways trends occur when prices move within a horizontal range, with no clear direction. Trend lines are tools used by price action traders to visually represent the direction of a trend. An uptrend is typically defined by drawing a trend line connecting the lows of successive price swings. In a downtrend, the trend line is drawn by connecting the highs of successive price swings. Trend lines act as dynamic support and resistance levels, guiding traders on potential entry and exit points. When prices approach an uptrend trend line, it often serves as a buying opportunity, as traders anticipate a bounce. Conversely, in a downtrend, prices approaching the trend line may signal a selling opportunity, as traders expect a reversing. It's essential to confirm trendline breaks with additional price action signals, such as candlestick patterns or volume analysis. False breakouts, where prices briefly breach the trendline but fail to sustain the move, are common in price action trading. Trend lines can also be used to identify trend reversals, as a break of a long-term trend line may signal a significant shift in market sentiment. Price action traders often prioritize trading in the direction of the prevailing trend to maximize profitability. However, identifying trend reversals and trading countertrend can also present lucrative opportunities for experienced traders. It's crucial to remain flexible and adapt to changing market conditions when using trend lines in price action trading. Incorporating multiple timeframes can enhance the reliability of trendline analysis, providing a broader perspective on market trends. By mastering the art of trend analysis and trendline drawing, price action traders can gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and improve their trading performance.